Alright, so first up, we have a Lennox. I'm not sure where the data, oh, it's right here. It is a 5-ton. I believe 60 is a 5-ton. I honestly do not remember. It's an Elite series. Then we have a RUUD unit here. It's a RUUD. And we have two what looks like brand new Daikin units here. And another RUUD unit. Let's see, are these heat pumps? Nope, they look like straight pools. I'm not going to get the date off the other one because it's back there. I don't really feel like reaching. There is a RUUD unit over there, and I believe it's a Trane. Yeah, it's another RUUD. And if we walk down here, we have another unit. We have two Tech 2000 units here. Tech 2000s. GE fan motors. Can't find the data, so. And here are a few more. Here's a Trane, I'm not sure what model. XR13. And then here are some Tech 2000s. Okay, we have a XR13 right here. Swept fan blades. It's got an Alliance scroll. Okay, and this looks like a ream and a RUUD unit too. Yep, RUUD. Okay. And that's it for this place, and I'll be getting more videos soon.